Hey Fox, welcome back. Today we are diving into something super exciting. Like if you're working in the Web3 AI or anything that interacts with data ownership and decentralization, then this is the one perfect for you. So, hi everyone, my name is Nidhi Nakrani. I'm the developer relations at Less AI, and in this video, we are going to talk about data anchoring tokens, that how we can mint data anchoring tokens that using Rust. So we have like in three SDKs, like you can mint that in using three different SDKs: Python, Node.js, and Rust. So we have already dropped out a video for the Python and the Node.js as well. And in this video we're going to talk about the Rust. So like very simple easy steps to mint your first stat and try the other feature of the Les AI. So let me just tell you like quickly like what is that. So let me just share my screen quickly. Okay, so if you go to the Les AI docs.lesai.network, then you can find that different section here for the data anchoring tokens. So data anchoring token is basically a semi fungible token. Think of it like an NFT that powers basically and designed to tokenize your AI data. um, Things like AI models, data sets, or even like computation results. So here's the thing, like unlike a typical ERC20 or ERC721 token, that includes three things. First of all, ownership certificates, so like proof of contribution or claim over data sets, models, or computation results. So basically, like you proves that you are the contributor of that data. And you have the usage rights, so access quota to invoke AI services, basically like giving you access to invoke AI services, which is tied to your data. And value shares, then economic entitlement to future revenue, um, basically proportional to the token's value and share ratio. So it means like it entitles you to economic returns based on the value, uh, basically that were like whatever your data you have that generates. So instead of just like tossing your data into the void, you are actually anchoring it to the blockchain, and you are controlling the usage, you are earning rewards, right? So before giving a further ado, I think let's just start minting that using Rust language. So let me just share my screen quickly to the whole screen. I need to share it with you. All right. Perfect. So, all right. So once you have like, as you can see, like we have the Meteor Dead and like three SDKs. So we're gonna go to the first on the Rust one. Um, you go to the yeah, cursor I'm using as my code editor, and yeah, first of all you can like do the cargo in it, or you can just create the make direct, I mean create the directory and go inside the directory and just run cargo in it. So let's just, I have already um created a directory, so I'm just gonna do the cargo in it. And yeah, I'm just gonna clear it out, and then you're gonna add some uh, needed features. We're gonna add elite, and let me check like if it has been added elite. Yep. All right, let me clear it out, and we're gonna add like this all um features. And for this last package, I think 08 is not available, so we're just gonna install rnd. And yeah, I think is install. Yeah, perfect. Let's clear it out. And either you can like just export private key here in your terminal, bash terminal, like this, and make sure like you add 0x before your like private key. And also the pinata IPFS JWT tokens. So to generate it, you can go to the pinata and go to the API keys, create a new key, give it a add name, I mean mint and rust, give it the admin access and just create it. And here it's your like JWT secret access token. So you can just copy it and uh paste it here, export IPFS JWT equal to this, and then you boom, like it basically starts with EY. So yeah, let's get another step. Yeah, that's all, and we're just gonna copy paste about the main.rs. So basically it's very simple, like you don't need to go like along, but it's just like copy paste thing. So you can copy it. Before that, uh we're gonna use this code because it's the merge it like this is the new post course, and I'm not sure like if it is in this code, but anyway, I will add to the document this new code so you can run this code. And I think that's it. Cargo, sorry, where I wrote cargo, never, cargo run. Okay, make sure like you have exported your private key and you have exported your like peanut IPFS JWT token, and then it would be good to run. Like if you are not comfortable using it in the bash terminal because it's like two environment variables, I mostly use like in the bash terminal just for this to run running purposes. Either you can create like .env file and you can just load it in the file and then use it. That would work as well. Yeah. So that's just running, it's compiling basically. So before like meanwhile it's compiling, you can share for the Python and Node.js. In the same here we have Python code and the Node.js, but make sure like I'll add the new updated code here in these Rust documentation. This code will be, I'll be at there, I'll be adding there, and yeah, you can use this one. So basically, how it's being working. So I'm sorry. So it's starting the DAT minting example. Liz AI client has been initialized. This is your wallet address. Main rest. What happened? We're gonna add cargo, add shadow. Clear it out and let's, I'm sorry, clear it out and let's run cargo run. So yeah, so what's happening, yeah, so it will print your wallet address, current block, it gonna get from the client, lazy client, and client we are using from here, lazy client. And yeah, so basically it's gonna store your private data to peanut on the IPFS, peanut IPFS basically. So let's see like what's the private data for us here. Okay, here, so this is my private data for that minting test rust SDK. So like it's just like the one simple string that we are storing on the IPFS. It will basically encrypt the data and then it will store on the IPFS. So whenever like we want to use that file, use that data, we have the ownership of it and we can still use the data, but it's encryptedly stored on the IPFS. So like if you want to use the lazy API AI inference, then like whatever your data is, you if you want to make it more secure and private, you can mint that and have the ownership of the data, encrypted data basically. So it gives like more security basically. So yeah, so this is like just a one string, but it can be like, you know, the bunch of data that you'll be using. You can pass the whole like PDF or Excel file or like whatever, like see your CSV data or anything, and it's gonna like encrypt the data and then store on the IPFS, uploading to the IPFS. Here is uploading to the IPFS, and then it will return the IPFS URL where you can see like where your data has been stored. Yeah, so let's just get here. Yeah, so let's say a client has initialized this your wallet address, current block, account balance, that like the private key that I used, that balance, privacy data share, data encrypted successfully, uploading to the IPFS, and this like uploading to the IPFS. Let's see it. Where they have stored it should be like here. You see like test privacy data dot tags, which has been stored on like 10 31st of yeah, so this is like your I think data that has been stored on IPFS. Yep. So that's all about maintaining the Rust. Like you can check for the Node.js and Python as well in the previous video. And yeah, till then, we'll see you on the next video. Bye guys. Take care.